This is going to be a perfect look for anyone who needs a fresh spring, summer go-to. You're aging, you're bored, you don't know what to do, you're not creative. This is the Work Hard, Play Hard pencil, and you're just going to go first of all over your bottom lashes like this. And then with the same one, and this is the matte brown, you're going to go underneath your lashes like this. You're going to flip it around and use the bronzy side, and you're going to start to line your top lid. You could stop there because that look is just beautiful in and of itself, but you won't be. You're going to step it up a notch. This is the Emerald Empire palette in the Spring Trends collection from LimeLife by Alcone that is offered at a very healthy discount. You're going to take an angled brush and go in with this shade here and that shade here, and it's going to make a gorgeous bronzy sort of tint. Then you're just going to go over top of the line you created. This is great because if you didn't have a really steady hand, it kind of smokes it out. Perfect for anyone with loose skin on their eyes. You don't really need to be a makeup artist to do this. You just have to follow that little line you made. If it's smudgy, it still looks good. Then you're going to do the same thing on the bottom and go right underneath all of the little lashes. Now you're going to take that same palette and you're going to stamp it into the gold where your eyelashes meet the lid. So it's going to create a little bit of a gold tint right at the rim. Now it doesn't really matter what color you wear on your lid. This is going to look good with pretty much anything neutral and natural looking. And you still have two other shades that you can use. And now the great part about that is you can just substitute this guy or this guy for exactly what you did with these two. You don't have to mix them. You can go straight in on top of the eyeliner that you created. You can also use one of these guys on the bottom underneath your eyes. And I'm going to show this in a future video so that you can see what I mean. Then for this look, you're just going to finish off with mascara and lip gloss. And that's it.